Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a basic C program which display message on the screen. First of all, we will discuss the theoretical part, and after that we will implement the same program with the help of Turbo C. So the first step is include header files. What is header file? Header files are nothing but the files which is already present in C language, and those files contain some predefined functions. And if we want to use those functions, first of all we need to include the header files, and with the help of those header files we can use the functions which is present inside that header file. Here we are using first header file, that is stdio.h. This is one of the important header file which is used in every C program. Now stdio.h means standard input output header file. stdio.h is one of the header file which is used for standard input and output. This is useful for getting the input from the user and output result a text to the monitor, that is nothing but the which displays the output on the screen. So this stdio.h header file contains functions like printf and scanf. Printf is one of the function which is used to display the output on the screen, and scanf is another function which is used to accept the input from the screen. Okay, now the second header file, that is nothing but conio.h, conio.h, that is nothing but console input and output. This library function is used for output and input functions. This header file contains various functions like clr/scr, that is clear screen is one of the function, and the second function is getch. Getch is one of the function which holds the screen until the user passes a single value to exit from the console screen. So all those functions we are using in our program, that's why just I am explaining those functions. Now the second step is use a main function. Each and every C program start its execution from main function. It means that the main function is the entry point for execution in C program. Now we are using the void main function. So this void main means what? The main is the name of the function, and void is a keyword that represents the functions will not return anything but a void value. So void main means what? Void main indicate that the main function will not return any value. Okay, so this is about the second step. Now the third step that we want to perform, that is nothing but print message on the screen. If we want to print something on the screen, at that time we need to use the printf function. Printf function is used to print the message on the screen, and printf is one of the library function, and this function is used to send the output to the screen. And but obvious this printf function is present inside the stdio.h header file, and because of that we have include the stdio.h header file. If we want to use this printf, it means that we need to include that particular header file, that is stdio.h. This is about the third step. The fourth step is use getch function. Okay, so getch function is a non-standard function present in the conio.h header file, and it holds the screen until the user passes a single value to exit from the console screen. If we want to show our output because of that we are using the getch function here. It means that getch actually hold the screen until the user enter something or press any key. So after that our program is finished. So this is the theoretical portion to write the C program. Now we will discuss how this program we need to write. So first of all, we need to include header files which is required for our program. So here I just want to display message on the screen, and this program is very simple. So this program requires only two header files, that is stdio.h and conio.h. Okay. After that, write down the void main function because our execution start from this main. And this main is, that is the void main, which tells us this function never return any value. After that, use this curly bracket, that is open curly bracket, to write the function. And here just I want to write message which I want to print, and that message write with the help of printf. So this is the syntax to write the message. And then write down the getch and then close that curly bracket. So this is the syntax. This is the actual program which display a message on the screen with the help of C language. Now I want to execute this program with the help of Turbo C. So first of all we need to open Turbo C. Okay. Now create new file. Now what is our first step? That is the include header files. So first of all we need to include first header file, that is stdio.h. Then include second header file which is required, and that is include conio.h. After that write down next step, that is void main. Then use the open curly bracket. Then here what we want to do, we want to print a message on the screen. So use the printf function and just use the double quote, and inside that double quote just write the message which you want to print on the screen. So here I am just using this message. Okay. After that just close this round bracket and just use the semicolon. Semicolon is very important, and then we need to use the getch because the screen should be visible for us. Then just close this bracket. Now our program is ready. So the next step, first of all we need to compile our program. So go to compile option and then choose the compile option, or else you can use the Alt F9 also. Yes, it gives us successful compiling our program. Just press any key. After compilation just use the run, or you can use the Control F9. Okay, here it will show sample message which is displayed on the screen, that is welcome to SSK Softtech. So in this way we can write a basic program, first program in C language. It is very important while writing program in C language. Thank you.